Hi everyone and welcome to the third module. This module is on classes. Classes are a little similar to structures, which you saw in the previous module, but in addition to having data in them, they also have functions with them. Classes are very important to object-oriented programming. So all the programming we've seen to date has been structured programming, and now we're going to move into a more object-oriented approach to programming. There is a lot in this module, so make sure that you get started right away and get started on the work so you can ask me any questions that you might have. So as always, this is the video you're watching right now. We have our module at a glance that always tells you, you know, kind of what the student learning outcomes are. And there's a link to the course schedule. Okay. In the lectures and activities, now this is going to be a little different. You'll see part A and part B down here. This is a longer module, so in the first week, you'll be completing part A, you'll have an assignment, discussion, and a project. And then what we're going to do is the following week we'll move into part B, which is more lecture material, and then we'll be using this new material on Project 3B. Project 3B will take 3A and it will actually add to it, but some more advanced things that we'll see here. So this folder, you can see the folder, but the content will open up on February 22nd, and the same thing with this folder. I want you to get this project in first before we move down to here. So I'm just going to click on our calendar. So it is a little different. You'll see on here we have the assignments part 1 and part 2 and the discussion posts due. Then our discussion response and then the project 3A. And then we'll come in here and we'll have project 3B. I don't have it on the calendar right now. Yes, I can. But we have our is that quiz 2? Yeah, quiz 2, I think. Let me think about that. Yep, quiz 2. Okay, so quiz 2 will open, and you'll also be able to take it. You'll have 2 days to pick from, just like you did with quiz 1. Okay, so I'm going to go back here into classes. If you have any questions, please let me know. You are going to have to refer to the sample files to help you with the syntax and help you follow along. So you can see here, please be sure to use these files as a guideline for this project. Start early and give yourself the chance to ask me questions if you have any. This material can really start to get a little bit tricky, and there's a lot of syntax you need to be aware of. Okay? Let me know if you have questions.